Hello everyone, welcome to Vidakshila classes. So let's continue with our 22 series question paper of science. We have done physics part as well as biology part. Now let's move to chemistry part. So let's move. So this is our first question. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. First is in list A there is boric acid, and list B there is citric acid. B option is citric acid, C option is magnesium, and D is acetic acid. And here are the options. So the correct answer is option A. Boric acid to antiseptic, citric acid to food preservatives, magnesium to antacid hydroxide, and acetic acid to pickle. So let's move to our next question. Which one of the following acid is produced in human stomach? A. Formic acid, B. Sulfuric acid, C. Nitric acid, or D. Hydrochloric acid. So the correct answer is option D, which is hydrochloric acid. So let's move to our next question. Silver articles become black after some times when exposed to air because option A, silver get oxidized to silver oxide, silver react with moist carbon dioxide in the air to form silver carbonate, silver react with sulfur in the air to form a coating of silver sulfide, option D, silver react with nitrogen oxides in the air to form silver nitrate. The correct answer is option C, which is silver react with sulfur in the air to form a coating of silver sulfide. So let's move to our next question. The number of water molecule associated with copper sulfate molecule to form crystal is option A 2, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. The correct answer is option C, which is 5. So copper sulfate crystal contains 5 molecules of water of crystallization. So the formula is like this: CuSO4 dot 5H2O. So let's move to our next question. And the color is of blue color. Crystal is of blue color. Remember this. So let's move to our next question. Now this is also match the following. So here you have to find out the formula of the names. So the correct answer is option A. So A, bleaching powder is CaOCl2, baking soda is NaHCO3, washing soda is Na2CO3.10H2O, and slake lime is CaOH whole twice. Remember this. So Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March, a great event in Indian freedom struggle, was associated with A. Iron, B. Sodium chloride, C. Sulfur, and D is ammonia. So the correct answer is D, which is sodium chloride, which is NaCl, also known as salt. That's why it is called Salt March. So let's move to our next question. When air blow from mouth into test tube containing lime water, the lime water turns milky. This is due to the presence of water vapor, oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. The correct answer is option C, which is carbon dioxide. CO2 gas turns lime water milky. So let's move to our next question. A solution having pH equal to 0 is known as highly alkaline solution. B highly acidic solution, C weakly acidic solution, and D neutral solution? The correct answer is option it's option D, which is neutral solution. No, sorry. It's not a neutral solution. It's option B, which is highly acidic solution. So it's 0 to 7 and then 7 to 14. 14 is a neutral solution. From here it is acidic, and from here it is alkaline, which is basic in nature. So let's move to our next question. Which of the following chemical reaction is not feasible? So what is feasible reaction? For being a feasible reaction, the reaction must happen spontaneously, which means that no extra energy is needed to put in for the reaction to occur. Remember that? So the correct answer is option C. And all these reactions are displacement reaction. Remember that. Let's move to our next question. The element of which of the following pair are isobar? So tell me what are isobar and isotopes. So what are isobars? Isobars are the elements which having different atomic number. The atomic number is different and the mass number is same. And same isotopes which are opposite to isobar, in which atomic number is same but different mass number. So the correct answer is option D. C. Elements have a same mass number. Mass number is put above the element. It is written like this. If this is an element, here will be the mass number, or here will be the atomic number. So the mass number is same, which is 40, and atomic number is different, which is 18 and 20. So let's move to our next question. Scattering of alpha particle by a thin gold foil suggests the presence of option A electron in an atom, option B proton in an atom, option C positively charged nucleus at the center of an atom, and option D isotopes of the gold. The correct answer is option C, positively charged nucleus at the center of an atom. And this experiment is also known as Rutherford experiment. So let's move to our next question. Question number 12. Which one of the following types of radiation has the shortest wavelength? Radio waves, visible light, infrared, ultraviolet. So the correct answer is option D, which is ultraviolet rays, which have a shortest wavelength. Remember, these are gamma rays. Then comes X-rays, UV, visible, infrared, and micro. And then comes radio. So the energy decreases and wavelength increases. Energy and wavelength increases. So gamma rays have highest energy and shortest wavelength. X-ray has highest shortest wavelength. UV has highest, UV have energy which is less than X-ray and gamma ray but have more wavelength, and same goes to this. Remember this chart. So this is the end. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.